In this tutorial, we are building a journey which will add new Google Sheets row when a new Google task is created. So let's start. Select Google Task as trigger, then choose New Task as trigger event. Select Existing Connection and click on Link an Account. Next, we have to add data in Google Sheets. Now, in steps, we have to create a new row on Google Sheets. For that, select Google Sheets. Next, add row as an action. Select an existing connection and click on Link an Account. Next, choose Spreadsheet as Google Task. Choose the sheet, add ID and title. We are now ready with our journey. Click on Save Changes and start your journey. Now let's check the output. Go to Gmail, go to My Task and create a task. Next, go to our journey to check the execution. Yes, it is executed successfully. Now go to Google Sheets. We can see a new row in Google Sheet has been added with task name created in Gmail. So in this way, we can create an automation journey to add a new row in Google Sheets when a new task is created in Google Tasks. I hope you like this video. To know more and get help in building automation journeys, visit quickwork.co.